Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to alter the details of company. So once you have created company, then to alter the company details, you have to go to the gateway of Tally. Means when you select company, then one window in right hand side will be displayed, which is called gateway of Tally. Now, once this gateway of Tally opened, press Alt F3 onto the keyboard. So, gateway of Tally company info will be open. Now to alter the details of company, go to the alter option and enter onto the alter option. It will open the created company by you. It will list the various company. Select the company which you want to alter. I am selecting my company and entering. So now you can change the details of your company. For example, I want to change my company name to my company new. I want to change my mailing name, then I can also change, and everything which we have created earlier we can alter the details of company. So this way we can change the company details. At the end, when accept alert is displayed, press yes onto the keyboard. Now your company is altered. So press escape to go to your gateway of Tally and select company. So now you can see your selected company is my company new. So this way we can change the details of company using the alter option provided by Tally. Thank you.